You don't have to spend any money to make your design look professional, powerful, or simply good and functional. In this video, I'm gonna prove that to you by showing you all the things you can do using Canva 2.0. If you haven't heard of it, it's basically Canva's newest branding update, where they included several tools that weren't here before, like advanced video editing, website development, Canva forms, 3D shapes, AI integrations that let you do almost whatever you want with an image or even a video, and many advanced features you'd normally have to pay for in other tools like Adobe Creative Cloud. But here in Canva, they give all of this to you for free. And just a disclaimer, we are not affiliated with Canva, though as much as we'd love to be, we're just here to help you get the most out of this software and help you design faster, smoother, and more efficiently than ever. So let's jump right into our main topic and start with Canva's homepage. Now, I know many of you have been using Canva for quite some time, but at the same time, some of you probably haven't explored Canva's homepage that much, since most of you go straight into designing the moment you open Canva. But this time, let's make things a little more interesting and actually explore it. Right here on the left-hand panel, you have your classic Create button where everything starts before creating your design from scratch. Your project section, brand assets, and if you're new to Canva, I bet you haven't seen these other tools, like Canva AI, Print Shop, and other shortcuts that make your life so much easier. Now, before we proceed with each one, let's first take a quick moment to appreciate the huge number of shortcuts Canva has given us to make starting a new canvas much easier, so we don't always have to begin completely from scratch. But anyway, let's start strong with the crowd's favorite, Canva AI. We'll go deeper into it inside and outside of a design later on, but let me just say that this is by far one of the most insane updates Canva has ever given us, especially with all the tools included in it. To access it, simply go to Canva AI. And right here, you'll see categories based on what kind of project you'd like to create using AI. First, let's start with design. Once you click on it, it'll give you another set of subcategories depending on what kind of design you're trying to create. It could be for social media, presentations, marketing, cards and invitations, logos, or even learning activities. Just keep selecting the category where your design idea falls under. Then don't forget to add your prompt in the prompt bar and press enter. If you want to learn more about prompting to get better results in Canva AI, we made a separate video for that, so just click the link in the pinned comments down below. Canva will then start generating your design, which you can either modify by opening it in the design canvas or simply leave as is and export in any file type suitable for your project. Now let's move on to Canva's AI image generator. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked, most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets, which recently made history by adding custom quality, a feature that lets you choose the most suitable quality depending on the type of image you're trying to create. And notice that I said most suitable and not best. That's because even though these quality settings differ in a hierarchical way, each one still has its own best use case depending on the outcome you want to achieve. If you want to know more about these image qualities, we also made a separate video for that, so again, just click the link in the pinned comments down below. Alright, now let's move on to documents. The outputs here are mostly text-based with little to minimal design, but this tool becomes extremely powerful when used for the right type of project. You can create blog posts, summaries, outlines, social media posts, descriptions, and many other documents that need a smart touch, all generated in less than 2 minutes. Moving on to Canva Code, this, on the other hand, is probably the craziest thing Canva has ever added. And by the way it's advancing, this could genuinely take over parts of web developers and graphic designers' jobs. That's how crazy this tool is. Basically, all you need is a clear vision of what you want to create using Canva Code. It can be websites, applications, games, portfolios, landing pages, you name it. Canva can generate it in less than 5 minutes compared to how long it would normally take to build a web page manually. This gives you the freedom to dictate where you want elements positioned, how you want users to feel while using the website, and most importantly, how you want your entire project to function using this AI tool. The key here is generating the best possible prompt using your favorite AI chatbot or even Canva Documents. Then pasting it right into the prompt bar so Canva can instantly start generating your project. Lastly, we have Canva's AI video clip generator. This works almost the same way as the image generator, but the difference is that you can also choose whether or not to include audio in the video clip you want to generate. You can customize the camera framing as well as the lighting too, which most AI video generators don't usually offer directly. Normally, you'd still need to include those details inside your prompt just to get decent or at least accurate results. Whereas with Canva AI's video clip generator, you have much more control over how your video clip looks, how it feels, and the overall vibe or cinematic direction of the final output. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. In the next video, we're going to talk about all the different tools Canva has added in its Canva 2.0 update, so make sure to watch that one, and I'll see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.